to my kitchen. I'm very excited for our next recipe because we'll only need 3 ingredients. You heard that right. And we're making a beautiful vegan chocolate mousse. Our main ingredient is aquafaba. What is aquafaba? It's the cooking liquid from chickpeas. What's our first step is just simply melting down the chocolate. Let's get cracking.
Melt 140 grams of good quality dark chocolate over boiling water. Next, use the liquid from 1 can of chickpeas, which is about 240 milliliters. Add 2 tablespoons of agave or maple syrup and whisk for about 4 minutes. Very gently fold in the melted chocolate. Pour into glasses and serve.
I promise you won't taste the chickpeas in here, just pure chocolate indulgence. Look how fluffy this is. Such an easy dessert.
Gorenje.